So the old 110cc on the go-kart finally went out. It's laying right here. We put a 125 on it today, and took some modifications, but we got it to run. It's also a 3-speed. It does 46 miles an hour instead of the old 38 it did. So here's the old motor. Here's the new one. We got the 26 millimeter Mikuni transferred on here. Had to bypass the kill switch and all that, but we got it running. We got the old exhaust on there. Nothing on the front works though now. Like everything's disconnected from the front. It's just running like an old school go-kart now. But yeah, it's got 3 gears, man, and it's pretty fun. We had to tape off some wires here. So really, just these two are connected. Just those two, your main 2 wires. We don't need the kill switch one, because the kill switch just is disconnected. We got all these 3 taped off. I have no idea what they go to. But yeah, here it is. I got a video coming out on the top speed. A nice little video, probably a couple videos. So yeah, the 125.